So guys, this is the oil. Just one, it's okay. So let's go to this place. Sorry guys. And this is the vitamin D3. So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Shinda Solution A and A. I'm from Nigeria. I'm living here in Saudi Arabia. You guys know what I'm doing. It's not a new for you. And to my new subscriber, thank you so guys. I really do appreciate. To my whole subscriber from day one, you guys know that I cannot take that love for granted. Thank you so much. Always remember to do what? To subscribe, like, share, and comment. You guys know that I always come with another video. So guys, I'm back with another video. So guys, I'm back with another video this morning, and which is conditioner or shampoo aloe vera. How are you doing your own shampoo? Or did you wish or did you want to learn from me? This is our aloe vera compound. This is the first one, but I don't think I want anything here. And this is the second one. So I cut off the two. This is the first one, and I will cut off the another one. I want to use two because I want to see the choice I will get from that two. That is the reason why I cut off the two. So guys, this is the two. I'm going inside the kitchen now. So I'm here in kitchen. I've washed this the way I want it, and this is the bowl. I will put it inside. So this is the second way I cut it, as you can see. So this is all the aloe vera I get inside it. I don't want to wash it. I don't wish to wash this one. If you like, you can wash it with water, but I don't wash it. So I blend it. So this is the cloth that I will use to squeeze it. So I will put it inside this bowl and put my aloe vera. So this is how it looks like. Now I will squeeze all the juice out of this. So you can see how this is look like. So this is the only juice I get from the two. So guys, this is my aloe vera, and this is the vitamin D3, and this is the carrot oil, homemade carrot oil. This oil have vitamin D3 before. No, vitamin B3, yes. So this is my homemade carrot oil, just 1 spoon. If you have another oil, you can add it to it, but just because that is the only thing I have, so 1 spoon, it's okay. Try to remove my hand glove. And so this is my vitamin D3. I just need one. I will just use one. You know, that's fine. Aloe vera, just for once, at once. I will use it at once. So, and the carrot oil have the vitamin B3 before. That is the reason why I will just use ordinary one. So that is it. Yes, I've told you guys before, just because vitamin B3 is inside that carrot oil, that is the reason why I will use just one. So this is how our carrots look like now. So before I take my bath, I will use it as max. I will leave it more than 1 hour. Yes. Once I apply it with my inside my hair, I will leave it for good 1 hour. So this is the bottle. I will put it inside. So I will put everything inside this bottle so it can be easy for me inside the bathroom. So this will be the end of today's video. See you guys in my next video. Try it and give me the results.